What up, Internet?
Hey there, camera. Today we're gonna go on a day trip to, did I say it was called Lotus Lake?
I believe you just did.
Yeah, which is where the famous spring and summer pavilions are.
Yeah, there's a really cool temple themed around a tiger and a dragon. Like two towers next to each other. And it's good luck to go into the, I forget, mount?
Dragon?
And then out the...
Tiger.
You enter the dragon.
Yeah. Tons of temples all the way around this lake as well, so we're gonna spend the day exploring the whole area and see what we can film for you.
Cheers, camera.
Oh, hey there, Bumblebeers, and welcome to a new vlog series. A fun time vlog adventure. Strap in, here we go.
Ready to go? So we're at the, I can't pronounce it, but I'll put the name on the screen, metro stop. And it's the closest stop to the Lotus Pond, which you can see right here. Cool little cartoon guys. Yeah, no adventure here.
Go into the Lotus Pond.
Yeah. I think that we're probably the only people walking to this Lotus Pond. There must be a bus or something. But we find like walking to things is just awesome and what you should probably do. Unless like you can't walk, in which case, sorry, this is not.
Never learned to walk.
We walk everywhere. We'd rather walk than take the metro. And sometimes you're rewarded with awesome parks. So you should do it.
Yeah, I like that a lot.
These banyan trees are so neat.
What is it called?
The banyan tree.
Banyan. Water your banyans.
We definitely found the lake, Lotus Lake, and look at all these awesome things. This lake's just surrounded with really cool looking temples, so we're gonna go check it out.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. There's a little monkey D. Luffy on this guy's ear. Onward, more adventures. Let's find some breakfast for Holly because Holly is really hungry. There's just so much to explore here. We've hardly even started, eh?
Yeah.
There's so much more to see.
We're gonna have a pretty full day.
Yeah. Figured this would be an entire day's thing. By that I mean exploration. Beautiful tree, beautiful temple. Hey dude, taking a picture of your food?
Yeah.
Looks pretty good. I think I might have difficulty getting rid of the meat underneath my eggs, but I'm up to the challenge. And you're up to the challenge of eating it, right?
I think I'll do all right.
I'm gonna go walk over to the shade because I'm really warm. That's where we had our delicious breakfast. Now it's time to go walk in the shade because it's getting pretty hot. What you looking at, boy? Yeah, it's really pretty.
I agree. Looks like a nice place to relax. Okay.
You can hear the sounds of a temple festival and of what I assume is a jackhammer. All in one go.